In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to mark a sales invoice as paid on Freshbooks. This process will streamline your billing and ensure that your records are up to date without any hassle. Whether you're a freelancer, small business owner, or an accounting enthusiast, keeping track of payments is key to managing your finances effectively. Let's dive right into it. First off, you want to start by going to the Freshbooks website. You can do this by opening your preferred web browser and typing in the Freshbooks URL. Once you're on the homepage, look for the Login button. You'll typically find this in the top right corner, a convenient spot for easy access. Click on it to proceed. If you haven't logged into your account yet, you'll need to do so with your registered email and password. After you've successfully logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. From here, the next step is finding the Invoices tab. Look to the side panel on the left. This is usually where the navigation menu lives. Click on Invoices to see a list of all your invoices, both pending and completed. Now you need to find the specific invoice you want to mark as paid. Typically invoices are displayed in a list, making it easy for you to scroll through them. Simply click on the one you wish to update. Once you've got your selected invoice opened up on your screen, it will display all of its details for your review. The next step is to take action on this invoice. You'll want to locate the option labelled More Actions, which is often found towards the top or in a drop-down menu. Click on it and then select Add a Payment. This is where you'll be able to record the payment you've received from your client or customer. After selecting to add a payment, you'll see a prompt to choose the payment method. From the drop-down list, select the one that matches how you received the payment. For today's demonstration, let's go with bank transfer. This is a common method and often used by clients. The final step to complete this process is clicking on Add Payment. Once you do this, FreshBooks will automatically update the status of this invoice to paid. This change ensures that your records accurately reflect your accounting workflow. Finally, for good measure, navigate back to the Invoices tab one more time. It's always a good idea to confirm that your invoice status has updated correctly. This verification can give you peace of mind and keep everything well organized. And there you have it. Marking an invoice as paid in FreshBooks is a straightforward process that keeps your financial records in check. Remember, maintaining accurate records is pivotal for financial health and business success. Thank you for following along and happy accounting.